We are going to play the exact same notes, but with a very different articulation. This one called staccato. Can we all say staccato? Staccato. You guys are really awesome. Staccato is very, very short. You make the string vibrate with very short spurts of energy. And so I kind of think of it like a robot. So can we kind of do this? Okay, I want you guys to keep on doing that while we play. Raise your hand if you thought that sounded really different from the lovely legato we played. A conductor is a person who helps tell the musicians how to play their music, but without using any words. So Layla, do you remember the sign for legato that we did? How about staccato? And then ponticello. Very cool. She has an amazing memory. We are going to play a piece by Schubert now, and we're actually going to get you to conduct and tell us what articulations to use. So I want you to try to throw us off and change different articulations as quickly as you want and as often as you want, okay? But just by using those three signs and nothing else. Write a lot of these markings in to tell us the different articulations, to create all these different images. So we are now going to play you this Schubert piece with his original articulations.